Alright, I thought we'd give a little safety video. Don't know why, but we'll do it anyways. First off, we're looking at what we need and what we shouldn't have. You're going to need your gloves. You're going to need a face shield. You're going to need a cutoff grinder with a shield. And you don't need one without. But most shops all have one without. I know we do. And there's a reason for not having, or for having this one. And it usually causes stitches, or involves stitches, I should say. And I know firsthand. Now, safety gear, you definitely want a face shield when you're using one of these. Nothing else to protect your eyes. You want safety glasses. Let me show you. See? We got safety glasses, side shields. Ah! They fit snugly on my head. You want your gloves. Now we got two different styles. This one here has got an open bottom. This one over here has got a rounded piece, goes under your chin. I like this one. Blake likes this one.
I like both, but these are much more common.
Yeah, you'll find a lot more of them.
And they do the job, especially at your eye level.
Yeah. This stops it from going up underneath. But, so, you see that one there. These here, they're nice. You can see what you're doing. I use it. I'm not going to lie. However, if you drop it, if it falls, do not use it. If you let go of it and it hits the table hard, do not use it until you put a new wheel on it. If it goes like that, that's all right. Any harder than that, put a new wheel on it. You're going to crack them. They're really thin and they will shatter. And when they come apart, they come apart.
Where are your new ones? Couple of thicknesses.
So they come in different thicknesses.
More than this. This is paper thin. This is what he uses a lot to get nice, precise cuts. The 1/8 inch ones are not really for cutting as much as grinding the welds down using the edge only. Don't use this style like you do a big grinder on the flat surface. That's not good for them. Puts too much side pressure. They're not built for that. And then that's when they get smaller. And we save them because sometimes you need to get in an area where only that'll get into. But you can see the thinness. I mean, this is 1.035.
Yeah.
So it's like 30 seconds or so thick. And they're like a little thicker than a potato chip and about as tough.
I don't know, we got one of the other ones?
What is that? The 60 thousandths or whatever?
Doesn't say.
That's 03.
Yeah.
That's the max RPM.
Max RPMs.
25,000, I think.
Yeah. So.
And that's the other thing to look for. Some of these, not more like the wire wheels, are made for like drills and slower speed stuff. Most of these are going at 17, 18,000 RPM. And you put those little wire wheels on them and it'll just sling all the wires out of them.
This one says 90 PSI. Doesn't tell the RPMs. Well, maybe it does.
This one's 20,000 rated RPM.
This is 20,000.
Yeah. Okay. That was a little low.
Yeah.
Most of the wheels are 25 that I've seen.
So, now I'm going to show you the reason for using all this safety. besides the 3 stitches that I had to put in my chin. And a trip to urgent care. How high are the ceilings here?
16, 17 feet. I think it's a 14-foot door. So.
Yeah, let me see if I can zoom in on it. You got the pointer? Right there. That little dot.
The little black dot near the red dot.
That is a chunk of one of those wheels.
About a third of one.
Yeah. So they do come apart, and when they do, they fly.
And now from where you're standing, turn around and show them where it came from.
Came from over there.
He was working right here in this area.
Yep. So it
flew 35 feet and stuck in the insulation.
So that's why you wear safety equipment. Just for foolish little things like that. It will leave a mark. So, hope you learned something. I know I did.